Hey there, ever faced a problem and just patched it up, only for it to pop right back? Annoying, right? Today, we're diving into a super simple, yet powerful technique called the 5 why analysis. Think of it like peeling an onion, layer by layer, to find the core. The 5 why method isn't about asking why exactly 5 times, but repeatedly asking why until you uncover the actual root cause of a problem. It's about digging deep, not just scratching the surface. Let's take an example. Your car won't start. Why? The battery is dead. Why is the battery dead? The alternator isn't charging it. Why isn't the alternator charging it? The alternator belt is broken. Why is the belt broken? It was old and worn out. Why was it old and worn out? It wasn't replaced during the last service. Aha! The root cause isn't just a dead battery, but a missed maintenance step. This method helps you identify the actual source of a problem, not just its symptoms. This way, you can implement a lasting solution, preventing the same issue from recurring. It's fantastic for continuous improvement, whether in your daily life, at work, or even in big businesses. So next time you encounter a problem, don't just fix it, ask why again and again. You'll be amazed at what you discover. Give it a try. Subscribe for more amazing facts.